We move on to our next set of prizes. To do the honors, we would like to invite on stage Mr. 𝗔𝗣𝗘𝗫, a long-time well-wisher and former member, Kaizen Hansai, and Mr. Jayant Murthy. Please get your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, as Mr. 𝗔𝗘𝗫 and Mr. Murthy join us on stage. So firing on world-class discipline and ownership, this site has delivered 47 months of zero accidents, zero consumer complaints, and a notable reduction in fixed costs per ton, powered by lean flow stability, mature daily management, predictive maintenance excellence, and breakthrough digital innovations such as SCADA-integrated control, digital twins, and QR-driven traceability. With admiration, we welcome Hindustan Unilever Limited Sonepat. A huge round of applause for the Sonepat unit, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to the HUL Sonepat team. Maybe have a few words, please.
First of all, thank you very much for the entire Kaizen Institute team. I think it's our first time here as HUL Sonepat, and therefore I would like to thank on behalf of the entire team. I think while we had a good foundation with respect to digitization and a strong operational discipline, I think we have also learned a lot from this audit. We've also picked up something which we will definitely take it going forward, which is largely the experimentation part, which are backward integration and our process science. That is a new insight which we have picked up as a strong action. I'm sure we'll come back as a team strongly next time. Yeah.
Okay, all the best. Thank you and congratulations. That is the HUL Sonepat team.